Yeah, okay. Oh. What the heck is that? Hey, Hope. Hey, Hope. Don't eat the yellow snow. Waddles. Hey, Waddles. This thing's so frozen. Flush. I've been through the snow before for a while, and I know that it's cold, but I've never been through it like on a farm or anything, or a homestead. So here we are, and it's cold, so I commend everybody that does this in the cold weather. This is retarded, but here we are. Gotta feed everybody. I mean, it still has to get done. So anyway, y'all come with me. This is my little broke cup, but that's okay. I have feeders inside, but that's for the baby chicks. These are my juveniles, but I'm gonna open up their pen and just put the food in there for them. All right, so now that it is a little bit brighter out here, we're gonna finish checking on everybody, and I'll show you the snow here in Florida. Little babies, they're not. My Easter eggers over there are trying to figure this out.